Action.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sayyidin. This morning I want to make cafe and then I make cafe black hot. Okay. Before we begin, I prepare equipment, namely a glass and spoon, sugar, and hot water in the tumbler, and Sprite. Okay. Then after the cafe equipment is ready, next we prepare a glass. Then before drinking the coffee, you pour it first the coffee. And then you pour a glass. My friend, you like coffee hot? Yeah. I like me. You like, I like me. I like to me. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. And then your for black coffee, you add water in the glass. Hot water, yes. Hot water, you open your water hot. Sorry, I am nervous. And you take a spoon. Okay, take spoon, and then you pour enough sugar. Sorry, I'm nervous. I think from and still makes sense. Yes. Okay, and stir and mix it like coffee. Wow. My friend, you favorite coffee? Yeah. Why you favorite coffee?
Delicious.
Because
It's like our life.
you drink coffee, you relieve stress or dizzy.
Yes.
Because coffee and my favorite me, and then before your day, you enough sugar. You save enough sugar, and you still and you look at sugar and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and coffee is resolved already, you drink coffee and you take in my plate. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.